If you've ever wondered if a simple morning habit change could transform your energy, digestion, cravings, and help you lose weight, you are in the right place. I swapped my morning routine for this secret magic green juice for 7 days straight, and the results shocked even my doctor. Day 3 almost made me quit, but what happened by day 7? Over the next few minutes I'll take you through each day, what changed, what didn't, and the science behind it all. Here's the exact green smoothie recipe I used throughout this experiment. The Detox and Energy Powerhouse. 1 cup fresh spinach, rich in chlorophyll and iron. 1 cup kale, excellent source of insoluble fiber. 1/2 avocado, healthy fats for nutrient absorption. 1 green apple, natural sweetness. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, omega-3 fatty acids and additional fiber. Juice of 1/2 lemon, vitamin C to enhance iron absorption. 1 inch fresh ginger root, anti-inflammatory properties. 1 cup unsweetened coconut water, electrolytes for hydration. 1/2 of cucumber and 1 celery stalk, good source of antioxidants. Blend them all together. Start with your liquid base in the blender, followed by the rest of your ingredients. Maintain a consistent texture. Blend until smooth. This blend gives you a full spectrum of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats, all designed to support your metabolism, digestion, and brain function. Day 1, 7 a.m. First impression, it's definitely green. The taste is earthy but surprisingly pleasant thanks to the green apple, not gonna lie. I'm missing my coffee ritual, but I'm committed to this experiment. It's 10:30 a.m., about 3 hours after no mid-morning snack cravings. Usually by 2 p.m. I hit a wall and reach for caffeine. Today, I'm noticing something different. Instead of the spike and crash I get with coffee, I'm experiencing a more sustained energy level. End of day 1. The most immediate effect I'm noticing is digestive, meaning less bloating and a happier gut. I felt lighter by the end of day 1. I felt great and experienced no hunger. Science fact: when you suddenly increase chlorophyll intake, your body begins to oxygenate more efficiently at the cellular level. The dark leafy greens provide a surge of vitamins K, A, and folate, while the fiber begins to work on your digestive system. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with fiber, which slows digestion and helps you feel full longer. Day 2, 7 a.m. I slept surprisingly well last night, almost 45 minutes longer than usual according to my sleep tracker. Woke up feeling a bit lighter and more energized, no caffeine crash, just steady focus through the morning. Start my day with the green smoothie, same recipe as yesterday. I'm already getting more accustomed to the flavor. It actually tastes fresher today. Stable mood, reduced emotional eating, and fewer mid-morning cravings. All thanks to a balanced brain chemistry kick-started by your morning green smoothie. End of day 2, noticed I'm naturally gravitating toward healthier food choices throughout the day. When I stepped on the scale, I found out that I'd lost 1 pound. After starting my morning with all those nutrients, I find myself wanting to maintain that feeling rather than undo it with processed foods. Science fact: green smoothies are rich in B vitamins and magnesium, which help convert food into energy and support brain function. Day 3, 7 a.m. I maintained quality sleep throughout the night and woke up full of energy and in a great mood. I woke up dying for a cup of coffee. I almost quit, but my energy surge in the last 2 days made me keep going. Start my day with the green smoothie, same recipe. Start noticing that my energy feels different, more stable, focused, and lasting longer through the day. Day 3 observations. Morning, peak detox symptoms. Afternoon, noticeable energy improvement, stable energy, no crash. Initial skin improvements. Digestive system stabilizing. Coffee caffeine cravings. Weight down another 0.8 pounds. Science fact: the high fiber and natural enzymes in fruits and greens can help regulate your gut and support healthy digestion. Mitochondria are your cell's energy powerhouses, and when they're firing on all cylinders, you get more energy without the crash. No more post-lunch slump, just clean, steady fuel throughout the day. Day 4, I maintained quality sleep. Same morning routine and same smoothie recipe. Today I noticed my skin looking a little brighter. Coincidence? Maybe, but the antioxidants in greens fight inflammation and support skin health. Day 4 observations. Feels the same like day 3 and even better, and I lost another 0.9 pounds of my weight. Science fact, vitamin C and E found in many green smoothie ingredients are linked to clearer, more radiant skin. Plus, the high fiber content keeps you full longer, reducing overall calorie intake without feeling deprived. Day 5, just like the last 2 days. Only now this healthy habit is starting to feel like my new lifestyle. This is becoming my new normal to feel good through the day. Surprisingly, I'm not craving sweets or junk food as much. I dropped another pound and I am feeling great. Science fact, stable blood sugar from fiber and slow digesting carbs can reduce cravings and help with weight management. Day 6. By day 6, my brain performance takes a major leap forward. I'm feeling more focused and in a better mood. Science fact. Leafy greens are high in folate, which is linked to improved mood and cognitive function. Many green smoothies include omega-3 sources like flax seeds or chia seeds, which support cognitive function and reduce brain fog. Add hydration into the mix. Since green smoothies are mostly water-based, and you've got a recipe for mental clarity, calmness, and improved productivity. Day 7. And now we arrive at day 7, metabolic momentum. After a full week of daily green smoothies, I felt that my body has shifted into a new rhythm. My digestion is smoother. My cravings are under control. My sleep is deeper. And my metabolism is more efficient. My mitochondria are working harder. My hormones are more balanced. And my body is operating in a fat-burning, energy-boosting mode. I lost more than 7 pounds in the first week. This is the tipping point, where small changes create big results. And the best part? I didn't have to starve, count calories, or do anything drastic, just one smoothie a day. Science recap. The combination of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in green smoothies can support a range of health benefits when enjoyed consistently. Common question and answers. Now I want to answer some of your most common questions about this challenge. Question 1. Can I add protein powder? Answer. Absolutely. Adding a scoop of plant-based or whey protein can enhance satiety and muscle recovery. Just keep it unsweetened and low sugar. Question 2. Should I eat breakfast after the smoothie? Answer. That depends on your goals. For weight loss, some people skip solid food until lunch. For athletes or active individuals, pairing with healthy fats and proteins is great. Question 3. Is it okay to drink it later in the morning? Answer. Ideally, consume it within 30 minutes of waking to kickstart your metabolism. But consistency matters more than timing. So if you can only drink it at 9 a.m., that's still great. Question 4. What if I have acid reflux or IBS? Answer. Start slow. Try half a smoothie for the first few days. Add ginger root or lemon to soothe digestion, and ensure you're not blending too many raw fibers if you have sensitivities. Question 5. Can I prep them the night before? Answer. Yes. Store in an airtight glass container in the fridge for up to 24 hours. Shake well before drinking to remix nutrients. Got questions about green smoothies or want to share your own results? Drop them in the comments. I'll be answering them all week. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs a healthy morning boost. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health experiments. And if you're ready for your next challenge, check out my next video on what happens if you meditate for 10 minutes every day for 14 days. Thank you for watching.